In this video, I'll detail how to mirror front camera on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to mirror your front camera like this, then this video is going to walk you through. Basically here you learn how you can easily mirror your front camera on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To mirror front camera on your iPhone, all you just need to do is open the settings app on your iPhone. While on the settings page, scroll down and click on camera on this page. Locate camera and click on it. And once you selected camera, you want to scroll down and you should see mirror front camera. Make sure this is turned on like this. So once that is turned on, so you'll be able to mirror your front camera whenever you take a picture or record a video with it. Then let's go ahead and set this. So let's use the front camera like this. Then capture it. So once you capture the video or the image, just open the image just like this. Then go ahead and click on these three lines. Then tap crop. Once you click on the crop button, you should see the mirror button at the top left under cancel. If you click on that, you'll be able to mirror, you see, the front camera images or videos. So that's how you can easily mirror front camera on your iPhone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.